Sri Gurubhyo Namaga children. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. See, this is 12th standard max, state board, chapter 11, exercise 11.2. Fifth sum, the cumulative distribution function of a discrete random variable is given by, see the values, capital F of x equal to 0, 0.15, 0.35 and 0.60, 0.85 and 1. So see the intervals -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So what is x and f of x? See, capital X. Capital X can takes the value -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. F of x is normally mentioned as what? Cumulative distribution. Cumulative distribution. F of x -1 means you can see this value equal to sign. So 0.15, 0.15, 0.15 and 0 means 0.35 and 0.60 for 1 and 0.85 for 1. See, 0 means 0.35, 1 means 0.60, 2 means 0.85 and 3 is 1. 3 is 1. They have given us cumulative distribution function. You should find out the probability mass function. Generally, we have seen the previous sum. They have given what? Mass function. Then we have to find out the cumulative distribution function. You can add the values, sum of the values, then the last value you are getting 1. Here, see, f of x is given. You should find out the value of probability mass function, PMF, probability mass function. See here, P of x equal to -1. P of x equal to -1, x, P of x equal to -1, f of -1, what is the value? F of -1 equal to 0.15. Next, P of x equal to 0. P of x equal to 0. Cumulative means you can add the values. Probability mass function means you can subtract the values. F of 0, subtract the values. F of 0 minus f of -1. F of 0 minus f of -1. It gives 0.35. 0.35 minus 0.15. 0.20. 0.20. Next, P of x equal to 1. P of x equal to 1. F of 1 minus f of 1 minus f of 0. F of 1 minus f of 0. 0.60 minus 0.35. 0.60 minus 0.35. So what is the answer? 0.25. 0.25. So P of x equal to 2. P of x equal to 2. So f of 2. So once again I repeat, if it is probability mass function is given, you should find out the cumulative distribution, means you can add some of the values. If suppose cumulative distribution is given, you should find out the value of probability mass function, means you can subtract the previous one. F of 2 minus f of 1. F of 2 minus f of 1. 0.85 minus 0.60. 0.85 minus 0.60 equal to 0.25. Then P of x equal to 3 equal to f of 3 minus f of 2. F of 3 minus f of 2. F of 3 value is 1 minus f of 2 is 0.85. 0.85. So what is the value? 0.15. 0.15. So what is probability mass function? Probability mass function. Probability mass function. First you should find out the value of probability mass function, capital X can takes the value minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then P of f of x or P of capital X equal to X. If it is minus 1 means what is the value? Minus 1 means 0.15. 0.15. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0.20. 0.20. 0 means 0.20. 1, 1, 1, 0.25. 0.25, both the values are 0.25, 2 also 0.25, 0.25. And what is the value of 3? 3 is 0.15. So this is probability mass function. You can draw the tabular column. Then what is the next subdivision? P of x less than second subdivision, P of x less than 1. P of x less than 1 equal to P of x less than 1 equal to P of x equal to minus 1 plus P of x equal to 0. P of x equal to minus 1 plus P of x equal to 0. P of x equal to minus 1, what is the value? 0.15 plus 0.20. 0.15. 0.15 plus 0.20. So what is the value for P of x less than 1? P of x less than 1 equal to 0.35. 0.35. Next, third subdivision. What is the third subdivision? P of x greater than or equal to 2. What are the two values you are having greater than or equal to 2? 2 and 3, 0.25 and 0.15. So P of x equal to 2, P of x equal to 2 plus P of x equal to 3. P of x equal to 2 plus P of x equal to 3, 0.25 plus 0.15. So the answer is what? 40, that is 0.40. 0.40. Now we move on to the next sum, sixth sum. It's a important sum. A random variable x following the probability mass function 1 k 1 2 3 4 5 and f of x values are given. Find the value of k. Find the value of k. You know very well, sigma x equal to minus infinity to plus infinity, f of x equal to 1. If it is probability, it is probability mass function. It is probability mass function, summation of series sigma f my x equal to minus infinity to plus infinity, f of x equal to 1. So k square plus 2k square plus 3k square plus 2k plus 3k equal to 1. Equal to 1. So k square plus 2k, 6k square. 6k square plus 5k equal to 1. 6k square plus 5k minus 1 equal to 0. Sum equal to 5. Product equal to minus 6. 6 ones are 6 minus 1 is 5. So you can divide the coefficient. So k can takes the value k plus 1. K plus 1 into k plus 1 into k minus 1 by 6 equal to 0. K equal to minus 1, 1 by 6. K equal to minus 1 not possible because the probability value cannot be negative. So not possible. So next k can takes the value. K can takes the value 1 by 6. K can takes the value 1 by 6 because it lies in the value, because it is not possible because f of x lies between the value 0 to 1. So what is the second subdivision? 2 less than or equal to x less than 5. What is the meaning for that? P of x equal to 2 plus P of x equal to 3 in between value plus P of x equal to 4. X equal to 4. So what are the values for this? X equal to 2, x equal to k square, 3k square and 2k. See, x equal to 2, 2k square plus 3k square, 2k square plus 3k square plus 2k, 2k. So 5k square plus 2k. What is the value of k? K is 1 by 6. 1 by 6 the whole square plus 2 into 1 by 6. So what is the value? It gives 5 by 36 plus 2 by 6. So 36 is the common denominator. 5 plus 6 into 6, 12. 6 twos are 12. So it gives 17 by 36. So 17 by 36. Third subdivision. P of 3 less than x, or you will write P of x greater than 3. Both are same. See, you can see the mouth part. X greater than 3 or 3 less than x. X greater than 3, what are the values are there in the tabular column? 3 greater than 3, what are the values are there? 4 and 5. 2k plus 2k, 2k plus 3k, 2k plus 3k. So p of x greater than 3 equal to p of x greater than 3 equal to P of x equal to 4 plus P of x equal to 5. P of x equal to 4 plus P of x equal to 5. 2k plus 3k. 2k plus 3k. 5k. What is the k value? K value is 1 by 6. So the answer is 5 by 6. The answer is 5 by 6. We move on to the seventh sum. See the same thing what we have seen in the fifth one. A perfect, that is distribution function, is given. See what are the values of 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Should find out the probability mass function. First you will write capital F of x. X can takes the value 0, 1, 2 and 3. X can takes the value 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Capital F of x. Capital F of x equal to, see, 0. 0 means the value is, you can see the equal to sign in the question. And see the equal to sign. See the equal to sign. 0, 1 by 2. You can consider 1 by 2. 1 means 3 by 5. 2, 4 by 5. Likewise, you can write the values 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 4 by 5, 9 by 10 and 1. 9 by 10 and 1. So probability mass function, first one is f of 0. F of 0 equal to f of 0, or otherwise p of x equal to 0. What is the value? 0 means 1 by 2. P of x equal to 1. P of x equal to 1 means f of 1, capital F of 1 minus capital F of 1 minus f of 1 minus f of 0. This is capital F of 0. Capital F of 0. F of 1 minus f of 0. 3 by 5 minus 1 by 2. So 10 is the LCM. 10 is the LCM. So 6. 5 twos are 10. 6 minus. See here, 6 minus 5. So what is the answer? 1 by 10. 1 by 10. Next, P of x equal to 2. P of x equal to 2. It gives P of x equal to 2. F of 2 minus f of 1. F of 2 minus f of 1. 4 by 5 minus 3 by 5. So the value is 1 by 5. Value is 1 by 5. Next we move on to P of x equal to P of x equal to 3. See here, P of x equal to 3. P of x equal to 3. P of x equal to 3 means f of 3 minus f of 2. F of 3 minus f of 2, it gives 9 by 10. 9 by 10 minus 4 by 5. 9 by 10 minus 4 by 5. So 10 is the LCM. 9 minus 8. 4 twos are 8. 5 twos are 10. So 1 by 10. The next value is P of x equal to 4. P of x equal to 4. P of x equal to 4 or small f of 4 equal to f of 4 minus f of 3. F of 4 minus f of 3 equal to 1 minus 9 by 10. You can see the tabular column. For all the values, you can see the tabular column 1 minus 1 by 10. See here, it gives 10 minus 9 by 10 to whole divided by, so it gives 1 by 10. Gives 1 by 10. So you can draw the probability mass function. Probability mass function. PMF, probability mass function x can takes the value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and p of x equal to x, p of x equal to x, 1 by 5, 1 by 10, 1 by 5, 1 by 10, and 1 by 10. So what is the second subdivision? What is the second subdivision? Second subdivision is P of x less than 3. P of x less than 3 means what are the values we are taken? P of x equal to 0 plus P of x equal to 1 plus P of x equal to 2. You can see the probability mass function table 1 by 5, 1 by 10 and 1 by 5. So 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 10, 1 by 10 plus 1 by 5. So the LCM is 10. LCM is 10. 2 plus 1 plus 2. So it gives 5 by 10. So the value is the value is 1 by 2. So P of x less than 3 equal to 0, 1 and 2. X less than 3 equal to 0, 1 and 2. So what are the values? 1 by 5, 1 by 10 and 1 by 5. So 10 is the LCM. So 10 is the LCM. See here, 5 by 10, that is 1 by, see the values. P of x equal to 0. P of x equal to 0 means, P of x equal to 0 means 1 by 2. See, why P of x equal to 0 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 1 by 10, 1 by 5. So check the values here also 1 by 2, 1 by 10, 1 by 2, 1 by 10, 1 by 5. So now you are going to take 10 is the LCM, 10 is the LCM, 5 plus 1 plus 2. 5 plus 1 plus 2 equal to 8 by 10 or 4 by 5. 8 by 10 or 4 by 5. Then the next subdivision is P of x greater than or equal to 2. So P of x equal to 2 plus P of x equal to 3 plus P of x equal to 4, because the values end up with 4. So it gives P of x equal to 3 plus P of x equal to 2 plus P of x equal to 3 plus P of x equal to 4. See the tabular column, x equal to 3, x equal to 2, 1 by 5, 1 by 10, 1 by 10, 1 by 5, 1 by 10, 1 by 10, 1 by 5, 1 by 10, 1 by 10. So 1 by 5, 1 by 5 plus 2 by 10. Cancel 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. So the value is 2 by 5. P of x greater than or equal to 2, the value is 2 by 5. I hope you enjoyed, children. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.